can't hold on much longer.
Welcome to Meltaway Bay at Disney's Blizzard Beach. This pool is a bit different than the one over at Typhoon Lagoon. Instead of one giant wave that hits you every few minutes, this pool has a lot of smaller waves that are just constantly bouncing you up and down, which makes for an interesting experience. Now here's an overall view of Meltaway Bay. Here's the beach area. We're going to spin around here and you'll get to see the rocks as well. And the game that my kids love to play is to try as hard as they can to get me into this waterfall near these big rocks. Let's see how it goes for them today.
So you guys aren't going to try and push me underneath the water, are you?
No, I don't think that's allowed. I think that's defined as horseplay.
That didn't stop you last time we were here.
What's that supposed to mean?
I think I have some video from that last time we were here, where you guys kept trying to get me in the water.
Just for the record, the first time I was here, you didn't have a GoPro, and I was the one hanging off the side of the inner tube during the waves.
Are you sure I didn't have the GoPro?
But the first time we were here, you didn't have the GoPro on.
Okay.
But the last time we were here, I'm pretty sure you had the GoPro.
Because yeah, this reminds me, I've probably still got some raw footage from that trip that I haven't used yet, put on YouTube.
Seriously. See that inner tube over there?
Uh-huh.
Expect it to be more like this, and I was hanging off the side of it.
We seem to be getting farther away
From what?
from the waterfall.
Oh, maybe we should get you over there. Douglas, get him into the waterfall.
But that would be considered horseplay.
No, it wouldn't. We're getting you into the water, so.
What was that little laugh there?
Do it again.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh man. Oh, let's push Douglas into it. Oh man, no, Douglas.
How about the two of you?
No, Douglas, hold on to him.
He's holding on.
Let's bring him in there with us.
Ramming speed.
Oh man.
Giving you your reward.
Eternal reward.
Douglas, get away quick.
Whoa.
Douglas. What is wrong with you? You're a psychopath. Douglas, we have to get Dad in there now. Oh man, the waves are coming. I can't. My feet just barely touch the ground.
Okay. You ready to make an alliance? Push Marcus in?
No, push you.
Oh, Marcus.
You.
Uh-oh. They had a deal here. Okay. It appears that the only way out of this is to let my sons get me in the water. And for you, the viewing audience, you'll get to see me go under the waterfall.
Oh, he's
The
pushing
things
me.
I do for my WDWpov audience,
Oh yes. What can you go to?
I know.
Daily.
Still can't get me under there, can you?
No.
Even though I'm not fighting you, I'm not doing anything against you.
It's harder without an inner tube.
We
Douglas,
should have
why
an
don't you
inner
push
tube.
Dad? Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
This works. I'm gonna pants you.
What?
I'm gonna pants you.
You still can't get me in here.
Douglas is pushing you too.
Oh, Douglas just grabbed. Okay, now we got 2 against 1.
Hey,
and I'm not even doing anything.
Come on. You're not doing anything.
Nope.
This is ridiculous. Oh,
I think I hear the waterfall hitting my inner tube.
no, you hear that water hitting somebody else's inner tube. It's all worth it. Oh, come on.
There we go. I'm not sure who's getting worse, you or me.
Probably me. You're gonna push me in there now, aren't you?
That'd be nice.
I can't hold on much longer.
Oh man.
I can't see. Even more than you.
There you go, audience.
Thanks for watching our WDWpov videos on YouTube. Don't forget to click the bell thingy so you get an update every time we have new videos available for you. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course our website at WDWpov.com.